Having a sharp knife is super important, not just for professionals, but also for home cooks. It's so important that actually whenever I travel to go see family, I usually bring my knife sharpener with me because I want to make sure that they have sharp knives in their kitchens. Sharpening on a stone like chefs do can be intimidating, but there's a variety of at-home sharpeners that work super well and are easy to use. You can use an electric, manual, or honing rod to sharpen and hone your knives at home. These are our top picks. So there's a difference between sharpening and honing your knives. Regular home cooks should sharpen their knives semi-regularly, and then between sharpenings, you can hone your knives to maintain the sharp edge. You can hone your knives as often as every time you cook. If your knives are dull to begin with, honing them will not bring back the sharp edge. You'll need to sharpen them either at home or by a professional. To find the best knife sharpeners, we started with a dull knife and then sharpened it according to the package directions. Then we tested it out by slicing through a Roma tomato. A properly sharpened knife can cut through the tomato skin easily without much pressure. A dull knife will simply smush the tomato. The best knife sharpeners should feel safe and easy to use. You are sharpening a knife after all. Our favorite knife sharpener is electric, the Presto Eversharp. This electric sharpener sharpens and hones with a two-stage sharpening system. Each slot has guides so you know exactly how to hold the knife at the proper angle. To hone and perform regular touch-ups, you can just use a second stage slot. It was easy to wipe the exterior clean, and the removable trays were simple to pull out and discard the collected filings. Again, it's important to hone your knives between sharpening, and our choice for a honing rod is the Kyocera ceramic sharpening steel. This rod is designed for home cooks and comes with two sides, a ribbed side for sharpening and a smooth side for honing. If you already have experience with honing rods, you may feel comfortable holding this rod upright while sharpening and honing your knives. Otherwise, we recommend placing the tip on your countertop and holding it at roughly a 45-degree angle. For a budget option, we like a manual sharpener, the Kitchen IQ Edge Grip. Just because it's affordable doesn't mean that it's bare bones. In addition to sharpening regular knives, it can actually sharpen serrated knives, which is something that most at-home sharpeners can't do. Like a sharpening stone, it has two sides. The sharpener slot has a coarse carbide edge to set the knife edge, and a fine ceramic edge to finish the knife edge and sharpen serrated knives. Knife sharpeners are oftentimes overlooked in the kitchen, but they are very essential. A sharp knife is a safe knife, and these knife sharpeners are an easy way to maintain your edge.